Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July the 14th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, an FDA advisory panel voted 20-0, recommending approval of Novartis' GP2015 as a biosimilar of Amgen's Enbrel for all 5 conditions for which Enbrel is approved in the US. Mark McCamish, head of global development at Novartis Sandoz unit, remarked, "We are pleased to move one step closer toward our goal of expanding patient access with our proposed biosimilar etanercept and look forward to continuing to work with the FDA as they complete their review of our application." In other news, shares in Santhera Pharmaceuticals dropped as much as 38% after the FDA has denied the company's request to accept an accelerated review filing for its Duchenne muscular dystrophy treatment Raxone based on data from the completed Phase 3 Dallas trial. However, Santhera said the agency asked that it conduct a second late-stage study to support its marketing application, likely delaying the company's plans to seek US approval for the oral DMD therapy by several years. Also featured, Amgen and Daiichi Sankyo announced a deal to jointly commercialize 9 biosimilars for the Japanese market. The collaboration will include a number of late-stage assets such as biosimilars candidates of AbbVie's Humira, Roche's Avastin, and Herceptin. Under the agreement, Amgen will hold responsibility for developing and manufacturing the biosimilars, while Daiichi Sankyo will be responsible for regulatory submissions, distribution, and the commercialization in Japan. Meanwhile, Amgen, which will hold exclusive rights to the biosimilars outside Japan, will also receive a limited right to co-promote the products in the country. And finally, Teva disclosed in a U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing that it will hold a bond sale to raise as much as $25 billion to support its planned purchase of Allergan's global generics drug unit. Teva indicated that it will hold investor calls in the US this week and meetings in Europe next week ahead of the issue. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.